welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Kiss Me More TikTok trend, which is really popular, and personally I really love it. It gives like a lot of summer vibes, I don't know. But before we get started, please make sure to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below, and now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow, and now let's get started with the first move. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to stand with our legs pretty wide, and we're going to go 1, 2. So we're going to just bounce twice. 1, 2, and then we're going to step to the side with our right leg, and we're going to go sway, sway, just like that. So 1, 2, sway, sway. Perfect. So after that, what we're going to do is we're going to just move a little bit to the left. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so after that, what we're going to do is we're going to cross our arms, and then we're going to go to our head, just like that. So 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. Perfect. And then after this, one hand goes to our waist, and then our right hand goes 1, 2, as if we're like really hot, you know. So 1, 2. And then what we're going to do is we're going to move a little bit to the right, and we're going to go forward, back. So 1, 2. Perfect. Let's do it from the beginning and we'll move on. Let's go. 1, 2. Sway, sway. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So after that, what we're going to do is we're going to step forward with our right leg. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, clap. Once again. 1, 2, 3, clap. Once again. 1, 2, 3, clap. Perfect. So after the clap, what we're going to do is our right leg goes back, and we're going to go 1, 2. So just put our fingers towards our head, just like that, and we're going to sway twice. So 1, 2. Perfect. So now after that, we're going to step back with our left leg. We're going to cross our arms. We're going to go towards our head, and we're going to twist our leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Let's do it from the beginning and we'll move on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then step back and twist. Perfect. So after this, we're going to put our hands in fists. We're going to go up, and then we're going to go and twist our leg again. So once again, they go up, we're going to cross our arms, then they go down, and when they go down, we're going to twist our legs. So once again, 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. So from here, it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So after that, what we're going to do is we're going to step forward with our right leg. We're going to roll our arms forward. We're going to blow a kiss to the camera. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pretend we're cutting our neck with our hand. We're going to go 1, 2. And that's it. That's the whole dance. So we're going to do it from the beginning twice. First, we're going to do it slow, and then we're going to do it fast. And that's it. So first, let's do it slow. Let's go. 1, 2. Sway, sway. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Clap. 1, 2. Sway, sway. 1. Step. 2. Twist. Roll. 2. Cut. 1, 2. That's it. And now we're going to do the same thing, but a little bit faster. Let's go. 1, 2. Sway, sway. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Clap. 1, 2. Sway, sway. Step. Twist. Step. Twist, roll, 2, cut, 1, 2. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, go follow me on TikTok, and I really hope to see you soon. Bye!